Hello friends, welcome to PKSR classes. I'm really excited for this particular announcement. So here is the announcement without wasting any further time. So first of all, welcome. This is CMA final exclusive online batch announcement. Okay, of course it is online batch. Okay, online live batch. It's not recorded, it is online live batch. Okay, so by of course your beloved PKSR. So this is the first time we are planning for CMA exclusive. Why? Because to be very honest with you guys, I've received so many calls since last 2 months that students were asking me, sir, earlier when it used to be the old syllabus of CA, that is AMA. In AMA Advanced Management Accounting, we used to have this OR. To some extent, it used to be like so many students have been asking us that in the old syllabus the OR used to be there, and pretty much it was manageable for us. We used to manage, but now that the syllabus have got changed, especially in CA, it is in strategic cost management, and the OR is completely removed in CA. But still, we have that in CMA final, especially this particular paper 15, that is SCMDM. So they were asking me like we need that, so if there is an exclusivity it would be really good, because the kind of problems that is now, earlier it used to be like pretty much we can say to some extent it used to be matching up. So there used to be a lot of flexibility for students to take coaching, but unfortunately right now the CMA final, SCMDM and the other papers are totally different, because it's cost exclusive course, right? So a lot of depth will go when it comes to CMA, and with respect to CA it's totally different, like the way the syllabus is getting covered, the way the questions are getting asked, it's completely, now the distance have got increased. So therefore the need for an exclusive batch for CMA final students have arisen, and a lot of students have messaged me saying that, sir, it would be really good because we were able to follow your CA final classes, but still we feel that if it is for CMA final it would have been really good, and it would help us a lot to get to clear CMA final, is what students have told me. So I thought, like, then I went through the whole thing and I came to a conclusion that yes, it's absolutely necessary to go for a CMA final exclusive batch, because the syllabus demands that actually. So we are starting it now. So to have a start, let's go with the crash batch for the students who are writing 2021 exams. We feel that August, last week or third week or something, the exams might happen, and so therefore we thought that for 2021 exams, let's start with the crash batch, and accordingly we can plan regular batch after this. So that's the whole plan of action. Anyways, so the news is we have CMA final exclusive online live batch by PKSR. So that's group 3. You've got paper 15 SCMDM. So this is online live class for 2021 exams. The duration is 30 days. Timings will be evening 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Now this may change, Nana, depending upon if the students are really engaging themselves, and I find it really exciting because it's going to be an interactive batch. So I'll be communicating with you, okay, through the chat. We'll have this chat window and all those things. And so if we feel that we need to cover a little bit more, let's extend a bit of hours, it may get extended depending upon, of course, we may start at 6:45 or 6:30 sometimes. So like that we can plan. Anyway, it's going to be online live batch, right? So faculties, of course, myself, so CA Prasanna Kumar PK sir. So many of you know me. So I've been, now it's 10 years since I've been into this teaching profession, and I actually don't want to put this particular word because but still, to give you confidence, yes, I have put this: exemption is guaranteed. That's the way we're going to cover our syllabus, okay? And the most importantly, it's going to be the interactive batch. Now please understand that how are we going to cover your syllabus? It's gonna be your CMA Institute sources. I've seen your papers, examination papers. I've done my due diligence, and I've come to the conclusion that your CMA Institute, the study material as well as the workbook, whatever the source that you have got, that is being provided by our CMA Institute, right? That is what is necessary to really crack this particular exam. So we're gonna go with that, okay? So it's gonna be the institute sources. From that only we're gonna cover the problems, the concepts, and all those things. Of course, when it comes to concepts, I'll enhance the understanding by my own way of notes and stuff like that. But predominantly, it will be based on CMA Institute. Okay, and so that's the point, guys. So when the batch is going to start, it's gonna start from 25th. So if you can see here, for all the updates regarding the batch, you guys can join PK Sir Classes Telegram group. You can just go to Telegram, search with the name PK Sir Classes. You can join in the Telegram group. All the updates and so many things from my side, I'll be communicating over there. You can also follow me on Instagram with CA Preston Kumar. There also I'll give you updates and a lot of things, motivational stuff and stuff like that. So you'll be able to communicate with me. So these are all the sources. And of course our YouTube channel, if you're watching right now, of course you got to subscribe. So you'll be getting a lot of things hereafter. So this channel now, it's going to have a lot of videos for CMA as well. Are you able to understand? So I want you guys to subscribe surely so that you'll not miss any sort of video that I upload. You'll not be late or you'll not be missing something. Okay. Right. So definitely join our Telegram group. That's a source of communication. I tell my CA students also to join Telegram group because that's the one single source where I can easily communicate. Same goes with Instagram, same goes with YouTube also. Now you guys are getting communicated through YouTube, right? Obvious. So yes, wow, even I'm really excited because I'm a costing faculty. What excitement is there? I mean, what more excitement you can want than teaching a cost specialized professional course? You see? It's obviously, it's really exciting. Always it excites me when I have to dig deeper, when I have to teach something in depth. Okay, chalo. So to register for classes, what you guys need to do is that you can WhatsApp or call or Telegram to either of these numbers. Okay. Once you message that you need details for CMA final crash online live batch, you'll be getting the details and all the details you'll be getting, right? And this is your fee. So we wanted to keep it very aggressive. We are just consider a cost and nothing else, that too only operating cost. That's what we are trying to recover, and therefore we have tried to keep it very aggressively. So pre-booking offer will be only 2750, which means before the session starts on 25th, if you book it, it's gonna be only 2750 for you guys, and from 25th June onwards it's gonna be 3250. Okay, you'll be getting a workbook, right? And you'll get all the details in the WhatsApp once you inquire. And in that workbook, you can see the questions. It's obviously based on your, study material. So that's the thing. And from 25th June onwards, it's going to be 3250. That also we have kept it pretty aggressive. Awesome, right? Yes, I know, right? So that's the thing, guys. So this is the announcement that I wanted to make. One thing that I can promise from my side is that you are going to get the best. Trust me, costing is like, you can say, it's like I'm nothing without costing. I can just tell you that how emotionally I'm attached to the subject. So it really excites me to teach costing. It really excites me to go through the logics, and I cannot just explain you. It's like watching your favorite movie, you know, it always entertains me. You can understand how enjoyable it is for me to teach costing. And always I was really excited to teach CMA, SEMA UK, because these courses are, we can say exclusively like costing dominated. And so it really excites me to go in depth into the costing and explore those areas and teach it, because it gives me a lot of happiness also. It's kind of, you can see the grin on my face, right? So therefore, what I can tell you from my side is that as far as your examination is concerned, you are going to get the best, and there is no doubt for you. Once the session gets finished, you will get so much confidence that you are going to strike exemption for sure. That's all I can say from my side. So I've studied, all your entire, syllabus, and I've gone through it. I've gone through the papers, and I've done my due diligence, and I've got this, clear-cut clarity right now. So how things have got to be managed, and it's going to be that way. Okay. So of course, all your OR and all those part are also going to get covered, and that's the way it's going to work. Okay. So that's it, guys, from my side. You've got all the details right now. So straight away, WhatsApp to that particular number. Okay, and we have got this offer for limited numbers, because we cannot give it for so many numbers, because obviously we have to run the cost and all those things. Okay, so try to pre-book as early as possible at this exclusive price. So I think I'm really excited, and I know that you guys are also excited, right? Chala guys, we'll meet on 25th evening, online, live, CMA final, paper 15, group 3 and SEMDM paper, and let's crack the exams. Right, guys, thank you so much. This is PK Sir signing off. Love you guys, and we'll meet on 25th. Thank you, buddies. And one more important thing that I would like to tell you is that inform your friends, Nana, share this video, because many of them are not aware that there is an exclusive batch for CMA final. Okay, so this is exclusive batch, guys. This is not going to be any sort of a clubbing with CA, nothing like that. And it is not like I have problems from CA material and then I'm just trying to, replace it with CMA and then teach you guys. It's not like that. So I'm not that kind of a person, about PK Sir. So when I start something, I do it diligently, I do it ethically, I do it honestly, and it will be brutal. Okay. So I just try to hit on the bullseye. That's all I do. That's the way I've been doing since last 10 years post my qualification. Okay. So that's the way it's going to be exclusively CMA, and you're going to see a lot of efforts from my side. And I expect the same from your side. And we're going to crack these exams together. We're going to do the journey together. And it's going to be one hell of a ride. Right. Thank you so much, guys. Share this video with your friends. So let them know that something like this has got started. I'm really excited. And a lot more exciting things are waiting for you guys. So let's see. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel. You'll get a lot more exciting stuff. Thank you, guys. So bye-bye.